Welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I am making creamy homemade butterscotch ice cream. Rich, smooth and filled with crunchy butterscotch praline pieces. This easy no-machine ice cream is perfect for summer and tastes just like a dessert shop special. Let's start the recipe. First prepare the butterscotch praline. In a pan add 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon water. Cook on low heat until the sugar caramelizes beautifully. Now add 2 tablespoons cashew nuts and cook for about 30 seconds. Cook caramel on low heat to avoid burning. Pour the mixture onto baking paper and allow it to set completely. Now prepare the ice cream base. In a pan add 2 cup milk, 3 tablespoon custard powder, 3 tablespoon sugar. Mix well and keep stirring continuously. Custard gives ice cream a creamy and rich consistency. Homemade ice cream can be made without an ice cream machine. Cook until the mixture thickens. Now pour into a bowl and let it cool completely. Keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now break the praline into small crunchy pieces. Butterscotch flavor comes from caramelized sugar and butter-like notes. Beat the chilled custard mixture until smooth. In another bowl, beat 1 cup whipping cream until soft peaks from. Add the custard mixture and mix gently. Cool the custard completely before mixing with cream. Now add the praline pieces and mix again. Pour into a mold. And spread some praline on top. Praline adds a delicious crunchy texture to ice cream. Freeze for 6 to 8 hours until perfectly set. Serve chilled. Freeze for enough time for best texture. Cashew nuts provides healthy fats and nutrients. Homemade desserts are fresher and preservative-free. You can control sweetness according to your preference. Making dessert at home allows cleaner ingredients. Your creamy homemade butterscotch ice cream is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy every crunchy bite. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.